Mathematics is queen of science and arithmetic the queen of mathematics. Hello, welcome to my channel Open Math Camp. This is introduction to full course of arithmetic playlist. Link to the playlist is under this video. Let's investigate arithmetic playlist content. Numbers. Here we will learn types of numbers: natural, integer, rational, irrational, and real numbers. We will learn how to transform any decimal number into its rational form. Next, arithmetic operations. Here we will learn definition of basic arithmetic operations and their properties. Order of arithmetic operations. In this math video tutorial, we will learn order of arithmetic operations. You will know which arithmetic operations precede others. Decimal, positional, numeral system. In this video tutorial, you will learn the definition of representing a decimal number as a power of 10. Divisibility criteria for numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. Understanding of divisibility by a number is very important during any mathematical calculations. For example, during the factorization of a number, without this knowledge, it will be very difficult. Prime and composite numbers. Sieve of Eratosthenes. Here we will define what are prime and composite numbers and analyze the oldest of the algorithm of how to generate prime numbers. Next, prime number factorization. Each number can be represented as a product of prime numbers. Here we will learn how to do it. Greatest common divisor and coprime numbers. Greatest common divisor or GCD and least common multiple LCM are very important concepts when you manipulate fractions. Fractions, proper and improper fractions. Here we will define what is a fraction and explain the meaning of proper and improper fractions. Reducing fractions. Further, we will learn how to compare and reduce fractions. Adding and subtracting fractions. Adding and subtracting fractions is one of the most important skills and you will easily learn it. Multiplication and division of fractions. Here we will use previous knowledge of factorization to multiply and divide fractions. Operations involving zero. Understanding of operations with zero is crucial. Here we will understand why it's illegal to divide by zero. Decimal fractions and its properties. Here we will learn important properties of decimal fractions. Addition and subtraction of decimal fractions. Here we will learn how to add and subtract decimal fractions. Division of decimal fractions. Division and multiplication of decimal fractions have tricks. Refresh your knowledge by watching this lesson. Percentage. After this math video tutorial, you will be able to find 3.28% of 231 in several seconds. Rounding off absolute and relative errors. Learn here how to round off a number. Understand basic types of errors. Dear students, subscribe my channel Open Math Camp. Don't miss important videos. Together we will reach all areas of mathematics: algebra, trigonometry, calculus, probability, and all other areas of math. Read description of my channel for full list of areas. Thank you.